Well, I really like their concept of pocket garden firstly. When I saw, because I saw a lot of other sample flats of other developers also, but I liked Lumbini because when I saw their sample flat, I liked this concept of pocket garden. And the kitchen that they were giving were it was completely modular kitchen. No other builder was giving, you know, a modular kitchen. So that's what I liked about Lumbini. And secondly, I think I also went for Lumbini because this was their first project. Okay, so I was quite confident that you know, they will be making a good quality construction. More features of Lumbini housing, you know, the quality of construction firstly is good. Second, the pocket garden concept is unique amongst, you know, other developers. Then the third one is they are you know, the brands that they are using right from the fittings of bathrooms, they are using Jaguar, they are using Finesta windows, you know. So these are the things, they are using all brands that I like about Lumbini. And plus they have very wide open area. It's 70% of green area, only 30% is you know, constructed area. Plus you know, the common area that they have in the flat, when I talk you know, from a customer perspective, the common area is not very high here in Lumbini. I get more private space here in the entire building. So the connectivity you know, from Delhi is very good, you know, because of this Dwarka Expressway. I think all the prime hotels, luxury hotels, you know, near the airport is there. Also, you know, an airport is around 15-20 minutes from here, so which is very good. Secondly, they are using, I also found before investing, I also found then who is the contractor for this you know, entire project. So I think it's Ahluwalia contractor, and they are amongst the best contractors. So that is also very good. Well, aspiring buyers and investors, I would say that you know, it's a very good buying opportunity. Still, if you know, buyers go for it, I think they will still have a very good chance of increasing their worth. Firstly, secondly, it's a very it's going to be, after the Dwarka Expressway comes, I think it's going to be a very posh area, and I think it's going to be the next Jorbagh of Delhi.